So in this class we are going to discuss about conservation of energy. So that is, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So it can transfer from one form to another form. So the total energy of isolated system remains constant. So this is a universal rule. So we are repeatedly using in physics. So energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can transfer from one form to another, but total energy of an isolated system remains constant. So we can do, so if I throw a ball, so I am throwing a ball, it reaches a certain height h. So now the potential energy is maximum. So here the kinetic energy, I am throwing the ball, so the kinetic energy is keep on decreasing, but potential energy keep on increasing. At one state potential energy is, so it is at rest, so potential energy is maximum. Again it come back to the ground, so again it come back to the ground, it reaches the ground. So now the potential energy decreases during the downward flow, kinetic energy increases. So about to touch the ground, the ball, so the kinetic energy is maximum. So the energy is transferred from one form to another form. Here kinetic to potential, again potential to kinetic. So this is explained in the law of conservation of energy. So consider a block. So it is at the height h. So this is dropping from a height h. So at a point A, so the potential energy is maximum. So because it is lifted to a height h, it have a mass, then against a gravitational force. So there should be a gravitational force acts downwards to the potential energy. So E is equal to mgh. So it is at rest at the point A. So the kinetic energy is 0 because the velocity is 0. So the total energy is due to purely potential energy. So that E is equal to U. Then, so it is dropped at the point B. So it is traveled a distance y. So the body have both kinetic as well as potential, because at the point B the mass, it have a mass, it is lifted to a certain height h. So the gravitational force acts. So and also it is moving. So the energy is, the kinetic energy is not equal to 0 as well as potential energy. So the total energy of a system, that is the block, so it is moving at a point B. So that is sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Then, so it is reaches the ground. So about to touch the ground, so the kinetic energy is maximum. So it is hitting to the ground. So kinetic energy is dissipated as sound, heat, light, and something. It's deformation of the body. It happens. So it is about to touch the ground. So h is decreases. So it somewhat reaches to 0. So the kinetic energy is maximum. So here potential energy is 0, about to touch the ground at the point C. So the total energy of the system is purely kinetic. So in this class we will discuss law of conservation of energy. So the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can transfer from one form to another form. Here potential to kinetic. So again potential to again that kinetic to potential, that is through this example. So here we are discussing the mechanical energy, that is two types, potential and kinetic energy. Then, so at the top point, so at the point A, that is purely potential, at the point C, that is purely kinetic. At the midpoint, so it's the combination of that both potential and kinetic.